Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video we are going to be making Asia fried rice. Yes, Asia delicious rice I'm going to share with you guys. So guys, this recipe is very simple, so I just decided to share with you guys. So over here are rice. This is boiled rice. So over here I have 4 eggs here, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green pepper, 1 green red pepper, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 carrots. So guys, we are going to start to prep our veggies. Guys, I just added 3 tablespoons of my vegetable oil in the frying pan. So what I'm going to be doing now is to add my onions. This is onions and garlic in there. I'm just going to turn it for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to be adding my carrots. Going to stir. So I'm going to leave it for the carrots to fry for about 2 minutes because I want it to be softer like the other ingredients. So guys, it's about 2 minutes later. So I'm going to be adding my green red pepper and also my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to add it. I'm going to season it with salt. guys, at this junction I'm going to just, you know, take everything to one side. Yeah. This is my 4 beaten eggs, so I'm just going to pour it here. Yeah, so I'm just going to, you know, just turn it together. So right now, guys, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add my rice into it. So before adding my rice, I'm going to season it. Just little half teaspoon of salt and Maggi and all. This is my black pepper, guys. I'm going to be adding half tablespoon to it. I'm also going to be adding my curry powder, half tablespoon of it. This is paprika. I'm going to be adding half tablespoon. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Then now I'm going to add my rice, my boiled rice. This is my rice, guys. I'm going to be adding it. I don't want the rice to overshadow the sauce, so I'm just going to add it to see. I'm using basmati rice, so you can use any rice you have. This recipe is so easy and delicious. I'm going to allow it to simmer for some minutes, and it's done. Guys, it's ready. And if you know you are hungry, don't forget my address is at the description box below. Hurry and let's come and work this recipe together. As you can see, it's so delicious, yummy, tasty, name it. So delicious. My kids, they are already here waiting. Hurry now so we can eat together. Remember, guys, sharing is caring. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.